What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Got a little package in front of us, man. I've been meaning to do some updates. I know I've been saying I'm gonna do a follow-up on that lithium battery, the part that's to the one cell to the JY Power. Definitely will be getting around to that. Kind of felt like doing a follow-up video with this due to what's inside of this package, man. But I got some free time. I got to get installing. So luckily this package came in yesterday. So let's get right to it, man. So y'all know the deal. 2021, working on a new build here. I hope I didn't cut anything important in there. And of course I would be going from the side of the package, man. And got this old blade that I pretty much need to retire this thing, man. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera. She ain't in the best shape, but it's one of them things I keep around. And I know somebody's gonna say, hey man, use XYZ. Trust me, y'all, I got plenty of blades. I'm just cheap. So I just keep stuff around for whatever reason, man. But there's some little screws, y'all should be used to that. So y'all should know what this is, but once again, it'll be in the title. So what's the point of dragging it out? So like I said, man, got a lot of videos to do. We'll do a lot of follow-ups with it. Just explaining more stuff, man. But like I said, right now, happy Memorial Day weekend. I got to get some stuff in. But since I got some free time, I got to get out here and get going on this car, man. So depending on what I get going today, what I get done, there might be another video drop today. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But stick around and see. But boom. So these are small, which I guess could be a plus side when it comes to the battery. Man, that's nice. So check that out, man. These are some iLL Customz battery terminals. These are the ones 6 in. I don't know. I don't know how you kind of, maybe they say a 6 spot, so yeah, that's true. Maybe 3 in, 3 out is probably the way to look at it, man. But man, that is some nice piece of equipment right there. And let me get the negative one out while we're sitting here looking at it. Or wait a minute, this will be the positive. Yeah. Yep, this is a positive one here. So once again, iLL Customz. Hopefully y'all can see that. They're picking up a lot of light. They will not, they will definitely not be this shiny by the end of the day today. So bolt down style. Like I said, I got some updates that I got to do. We'll get those going sooner or later, man. Like I said, so basically what was happening around, I was lounging around this morning. Yes, I might be a little bit different from what y'all expect. I am the type of dude, I have a lot of bird feeders. So when I woke up this morning, I noticed my bird feeders were empty. So I was like, yeah, let me get out here and feed my birds. And was lounging around watching them for probably about an hour or so. I was just sitting on the porch, and then somebody had an accident down the street. So then I went down there to check that out, and came back in here, got the second cup of coffee, and was just chilling. I was like, you know what? It's cold. Y'all know I'm staying in Omaha, Nebraska, man. Happy, like I said, once again, happy Memorial Day weekend to everybody out there. A lot of y'all are friends with me on Facebook. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen the people in Nebraska posting those memes like, hey, spring, fight back. It's cold outside. So y'all see, I got a hoodie on. But like I said, I'm going to get out here and get working on this car, man. So like I said, I was lounging around. I was like, you know what? I got this free time, 3-day weekend. Let me get off my behind and get some stuff done, because eventually that thing right there in front of y'all, that Sundown SFB 8K, I want to get that going. Right above that is the PRV amp. I'm definitely planning on installing that today. Still got those Forte speakers right there. Depending on what I get done with the car today, I may be able to head out to Lowe's or Menards and get that rear deck started at least. But we'll get going from there, man. So like I said, the main thing is I got to get going on this car audio installation. And like I said, here are the screws that go right into those iLL Custom inputs, man. So Just got to get some stuff going here, man. Once I get done shooting this, I'm definitely heading outside. So main thing I can say, stick around. There'll be tons more updates. Like I said, it might be another video tonight, just depends on how much, how far I get into the installation, and do I make it to a good stopping point, or do I get frustrated and start losing tools and all that type of crap? Those of you who install know exactly what I'm talking about. So we'll see how that goes, man. But yes, shout out to my man Kyle, iLL Customz. Y'all know I've been using these for, what is this, 2021? I've been using their stuff for a while, man. These I actually ordered right from the iLL Customz website, which took a while. Not gonna lie about that. I guess what they do when you order directly through the website, is they take a minute to make sure that the payment clears, whether it be PayPal, because of course, if I buy anything online, it's definitely going via PayPal. So I guess they wait for the money to actually hit their account. So it took a minute for these to ship out. Personally, I would recommend, probably if you're in a rush for a build, order their products via eBay, which is what I usually do. But I was being a cheapskate and was like, oh, well, if I order it from his website, I save the tax, which is $2. But it's what it is. So I decided to go ahead and take that route there. But it really didn't matter for somebody in my case, due to the fact that, like I said, I'm just about to get started on the build today. I get some stuff going, man. So shout out to iLL Customz. Like I said, this is a 6-spot terminal, 3 in, 3 out. Y'all know I have a 10 in, 10 out pair of terminals, and those are actually out in the car right now. So I'll do an update on that as well. This is your bolt down style. Hopefully y'all can see that. But like I said, shout out to iLL Customz. Shout out to my man Kyle. He is the owner of the company. Definitely friends on Facebook there. Another one of those guys is like, hey man, I appreciate your business, because like I said, I've been using his stuff for a while, so we'll see what it is, man. So just doing a quick little update. Why the hell not? Because those are some nice little shiny terminals. Definitely did them for what I'm doing. So like I say, stick around. There'll be tons, and I do mean tons, of updates coming within the next couple of days. Like I said, could be a part 2 tonight. So stick around for that, man. So y'all know the deal. Any questions, comments, concerns, I try to get back to everybody. I got like 108 YouTube notifications right now, which, like I said, I will get back to people. Just want to get started on this build. Probably just be spending my day inside, outside, under, around the car, all that type of jazz there. So y'all know the deal, man. And you see it right there, 2021. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got taken. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out of here. Have a good weekend. Hopefully a 3-day weekend. Maybe check for video number 2 tonight. Maybe. We'll see what happens, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out of here.